Life, is it all about gratitude and thankfulness? Isn't so? Hi, I am Code Explainer. I explain codes in a simpler and meaningful way. To know more information about my channel, you can watch the trailer video which is linked in I button or as well as in description box below. Now, as I said, in pandemic we have learned about lot of things, and personally think we have learned gratitude and thankfulness. So without wasting your much time, let me read a quote which inspired me to make this video, and then we can discuss about it. Let us rise up and be thankful, for if we do not learn a lot today, at least we learned a little, and if we do not learn a little, at least we do not get sick, and if we got sick, at least we do not get die. So let us all be thankful. A quote from Gautam Buddha, and as well as very relatable of 2020 year. As all you know, 2020 has been given lot of obstacles. Pandemic, lockdown, for example, the business are shut down, lot of unemployment, and there are no colleges, no schools. Education has been stopped. But in this critical period, the hardest time, even so, when we rise up early morning, looking at ourselves, we do not get sick. Our family members have not gotten sick, and the friends have not got sick, which it is self a grateful thing, the most happiest thing, and you should be thankful for that. Family is important and friends are important, right? And then the pandemic has teaching us to adopt new things. For example, business are going online, and the jobs work, are changed into online, working from home. Colleges are online, studying in the online ways. So this is the adaptability. So pandemic has teaching us that you should always prepare for adopting other new things, and as well as be thankful that you and your families are safe. So that is all today's video is, and as thankful and grateful that I have got 10 subscribers, so I could like to start a new series where I'm gonna explain the quote meanings of quote which you have requested. For example, if you want a certain quote which you want to be explained, you can comment in the comment section where I'm gonna read it and I'm gonna try to explain in my upcoming video. And as well as I'm planning to get 25 subscribers in this upcoming 30 or 40 days. So for that, to reach that target, please do subscribe my channel and encourage me. And if you find this content useful, please do hit the like button so that I know that it's been useful to you. And if you want any improvements, please do comment in the comment section. And also I could like to ask you to share with your family and friends. So that's all for today. I am Code Explainer signing out. Stay tuned, stay safe, and nothing.